So this is that. I'm gonna take it out. Ah! Okay. What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Jazmine Tania. By the title of this video, y'all know what I'm doing. And basically, I'm going to be unboxing the iPad Air. What's this? The iPad Air 4. This is it. It came in this box. And I'm about to cut this part. Okay, I'm about to cut this part. Actually, I'm gonna peel it. Y'all see it? I'm about to peel it. Actually, this box is smaller than I expected it to be, but okay. Just put this back. Boom, boom. This is it. If y'all can't tell by the display on the picture, it is green. It is green. This is the 4th generation. And look. Okay. So, I'm going to do this first. And then open it. Because I do got the pencil too. Okay. So. Okay. Okay, so now I'm about to just open it. Okay. Y'all know how I be when I open stuff. I like to close my eyes and then look at it. So that's exactly what I'm about to do. Now that I took it off, y'all can see how it looks on the outside of the box. Okay. Cause I want to look, but I want to wait. So this is that. I'm gonna take it out. Ah! Okay. I took it out upside down because I'm gonna look at the color. But okay. Oop. I feel the stuff on here. Okay. It don't even look green, but maybe it's because this package on here. So let me peel it open. Let me peel it back and then look at it. Because I'm like, okay. Okay. I don't want to get fingerprints on it, but it, oh, okay. It looks green now. Wow. Do it look green? Can y'all see? Do it look green? Y'all can see it if it's like right there. Y'all see it? Y'all see the color? So I'm sitting here editing a video. It smells definitely green. Do it look green? Not sure. It's green, but it ain't. It's like a weird green. It ain't the green we all think it's gonna be. But yeah, this the color. My name right there. Okay, stop playing. And right here. But yeah, it's green. Look how big this is, first of all. Let's talk about it. The screen. Why is it so fat? That's cool, that's why I got it. Okay, let's talk about what's inside the box. It came with this. I'm gonna open this when I turn it on. Should I put the case on there first? That's exactly what I'm about to do. If y'all don't know, I got a case too. And a screen protector. This is where I got it from. This ain't no sponsor video, but I'm just letting y'all know. Okay, so it's like, this is a plain case, for real, for real. The case is pink. This is what it looks like. It's all smooth. I like it. Like how I feel. It's magnetic if y'all didn't know. See, look. But luckily everything is magnetic, so the case will stick. Y'all see how it's sticking? Y'all see how it's on there, right? And it's sticking, so it's good. Alright, now I got the screen protector. I'm about to put that on. If y'all want to just watch the part when I turn it on, skip it. I will have the time frame down below. Alright, y'all, I'm back sitting down because, yeah. Alright, I'm about to open this. So what basically coming here is the screen protector, dust wipes, and the thing that helped me put it on. I never used this before. I'm gonna try. Okay, so I'm about to wipe it off. I don't know if y'all can tell, but I already got my fingerprint on it, so I'm about to wipe it off. I just peeled it. I just took it off. Okay. And I got air bubbles, so I'm mad about that, but it's cool. Y'all ready? Alright, y'all, so cut on. I'm about to swipe up. I'm gonna get a little bit closer so y'all can see. Alright, this is as close as I can get. So the ring light glare won't be on it. Okay, so I speak English, so I'm gonna click English, okay? Alright, English. I'm from the United States, so I click that. Now it's saying quick start. I'm gonna say set up manually. Now I'm about to enter this password. Okay. Now it's saying it may take a few minutes. We're gonna see how long it take. Wow, that wasn't even a few minutes. That wasn't it. That was the Apple Store texting me. Okay, but that wasn't even a few minutes. That was just like 30 seconds, I swear. And it came charged. It's on 80%, which is good. Now it's saying data and privacy. I'm gonna press continue. Continue. Touch ID. Yes, this got Touch ID. Okay. Continue. Now it says place your finger, you know, the fingerprint, and I believe that it's up here. This is it, right? Say place your finger on there. It say Touch ID right there at the top. And I'm gonna put my finger right there. Capture all of your fingerprint. Keep going to capture the edges of your finger. Okay. Add it. Okay. So I'm gonna press continue. Add another fingerprint? No, I don't need one. Okay, now it's asking me to create a password. I just use the one that's on my phone. I'm gonna re-enter it because that's what they're asking. Y'all look how big this is. Like, y'all see my hand back here? Trying to grasp it and hold it. I'll just do it like that. Why am I being complicated? Okay, now they're asking me for do I want to transfer data and stuff. I'm gonna say no, I don't, because this is new. So no, I don't. Yeah, see, look, now they're asking me to enter this in, so I'm gonna enter it in, and then y'all see what I'm doing. The main reason I got this is because I be doing thumbnails and stuff for people, and my phone's tiny. I need something big. That's why I got this one. And I got the pencil too, so I'm gonna show y'all that when I open it. Alright, y'all, this is the Instagram I got for my edits and for the video that I'm posting that y'all see. Okay, this is the Instagram. I worked with Jalen before. All the ones you see is the ones I did. I did this for her. That's me. Okay, I did this for her. Pool party. I did this for her. This too, morning routine. Summer haul. Come get you one. Next. Now they texting my phone, making sure it's me. Because, yep. Y'all, this thing is huge. Like, what the heck? Screen time, continue. Apple Analytics. Continue. Right now, let me see which one is better. Dark mode or light. I'm gonna do light. So continue. Welcome to the iPad. Period. Okay. Dang. Okay, so this is it. They ain't even asked me to set up Siri. Or did I skip it? I don't know. But I got the pencil as well, so I'm about to unbox that real quick. It's gonna be a quick one. It came in this box. I don't want to keep y'all waiting, so I'm gonna pop it open. Oh wow, these boxes be so hard. And I didn't even have to pop it open. What's the thing on the side? Like, I'll be forgetting. Okay, this is the pencil. It came in this box. And, okay, well, the box just, okay. This is the pencil, but, okay. Okay, this is the Generation 2. Okay. So I'm about to open this pencil. It's a flab right here. I don't want to keep y'all waiting. Okay. Alright, it's another flab. I pull it straight and the pencil comes inside. What's this? Oh, this is just a pamphlet again. Okay, that's basically a pamphlet, and this is the pencil. Okay, period. All right, this is the pencil. I do got a little case. You see how I say Jazmine Tania. I got a little gripper for it, so yeah. Okay. All the links gonna be down below from where I got everything. So yeah, this gripper is just pink. It's just a pink one. Okay, y'all, put the gripper down there because I mean that's what I do when I write. But okay, okay. So I'm about to attach it to the side. I don't know if y'all can see, but that's what it says. Basically, welcome to Apple Pencil. That's what it says. I'm not about to keep putting it in the screen, but I'm gonna show y'all what it say, and I'm gonna show y'all what it look like. Yeah, it say welcome to Apple Pencil. Your Apple Pencil unlocks the new whole iPad OS. Yada yada yada. Continue. Oh, I just did it with the pencil real quick. Okay, continue. Now they're asking me to try using the pencil to handwrite a text or whatever. Okay, I'll write it and then I'm gonna show y'all. So I'm about to write my name. Why not? Okay. Jazmine. Oh my god, it came up. It came up. Y'all see it, right? So look at this. Jazmine. Y'all see that, right? Alright. Tania. Jazmine Tania. I know y'all see that. Alright, so I'm gonna say subscribe. Okay. Period. Alright, so basically y'all see that works. Okay, so I did that. Now I'm gonna go to the next one. It says remove edible text just by scratching them out. Okay. It worked. Okay, I'm about to show y'all. Okay, look. I'm gonna cross out this whole thing. Just scratch it out. Y'all see that? Okay, stop playing. Alright, I did that part. Okay, to basically this one say to select a word or whatever, draw a line straight through it and it will select it, or the whole sentence, draw a line. Just draw a line. Okay. So I just did draw. As y'all can see, but now I'm about to do the whole thing so y'all can see it's gonna select the whole thing. We're gonna test out the camera just because why not? Alright. I'm gonna go to the camera. I'm gonna look at myself, okay? I'm gonna look at myself. But okay, allow. I don't think it's gonna be that bad. I'm gonna compare it to my phone. I got the I just burped. I got the 11 Pro Max. I'm gonna compare it to that. Okay. It shouldn't be that. Dang, it's so big though. my head. Bag. Maybe it's because I'm holding it. I mean, it ain't that bad. For real. Let me see. Of course, my phone camera is better. But okay, I'm gonna do a comparison for y'all. But if you like this video, I know it was all over the place, but if you like this video anyway, like it, don't forget to comment down below if you got this, or if you're getting it, or if you got this color, or if you don't got this color. What do you think about it? But what color do y'all got? If you want to follow me on Instagram, it will be right here in the screen somewhere. I will add the picture of my Instagram, and yeah, you could just see it that way too. But yeah, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and bye. Thanks for watching.